If you don't like waiting at the Apple Store but still want your iPhone to work, then try this quick fix at home. First, grab your iPhone and let's force restart it. Here's how. Quickly press and release the volume up button. Then quickly press and release the volume down button. Now press and hold the side button. Don't let go until you see the Apple logo. If your phone springs back to life, congrats! You just saved yourself a trip. Still nothing? Plug your iPhone into a charger and let it sit for at least an hour. Make sure your cable, adapter, and outlet are actually working. Sometimes it's just a grumpy charger. Still no luck? It might be a software or hardware issue, so reach out to Apple support or visit an Apple-authorized service provider. Quick recap. Force restart first, charge for an hour if needed, check your cables, and if all else fails, call in the Apple pros. Don't panic. Most black screens have a fix.